Ay, sorry. Nice one.
Last 12 minutes and 57 seconds. Last 12 minutes and 57 seconds. Bola ng blue. Number 30, taking the ball. Pass to number 11. For 3, di pumasok. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 21. So Shimabuko. Ayaw pumasok. So Shimabuko pa rin. Pumasok. Rebound by number 17.
Yes.
So 4 runs remaining time for the first half of the ball game. Elidario for 3. Di pumasok.
Balik, balik.
Number 25. So Venezuela. Venezuela. Roll the rim. To number 00. So Venezuela. Just from the Miscarte. Venezuela. Mato. Rebound by Mr. Elidario. So Nakano.
Wala. Ay, sayang.
Good ball. Good ball. 0-0, controlling the ball, pass to number 25. Tumabot, good for 2 points, number 25, Nakano, pass to Elidario. Elidario, so Donado, for 3, di pumasok, rebound by number 0. Juan Elidario. The scorer, number 25. Elidario. Tingnan natin yung unang budlo kung papasok. First throw.
Nice one. Nice one. Depensa, depensa. Nice one. Good. Divides. Hindi. Ay, sayang. Depensa. Nice one, nice block. Okay. Kami bola.
Hey. Number 12.
Relax lang muna, relax.
So number 11, last sentence to shoot. 8, 7, 6,
Nice one!
5, 4, 3, 2.
Depensa.
Number 24, using the ball. Ng Kabataan, pass to number 00. Number 00, 7, 6, basket. Score, team lang po tayo. 10. Ilizario. Pass to Nakano. Nakano, guarded by Shimabuko. So Ilizario. Di pumasok. Rebound by number 25. Foul. Ilizario. So number 24, the Venezuela. Good for 2 points, Venezuela. Ilizario. Dribbling the ball. Anak ng Kabataan. Pass to number 0, to number 12. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Shimabuko. To number 24. Agolino. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Ilizario. Pass to number 12. 2 points. Pinaso.
Bawi!
Score. Team lock na naman tayo. Agolino, pass to number 0. To Venezuela. Pumasok. Rebound by Nakano.
Nice one!
Pass to Pinaso. Di pumasok. Last 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Last 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Venezuela. It's foul red. Number 12. China 4. Pass to number 25. Di pumasok. Nakuha ni Venezuela. To number 25. Ayaw pa rin. Rebound by Mr. Donato. Pass to number 0. Tokinato. Ayaw pa rin. Number 25. Ayaw pumasok. 25 pa rin. Kayo sunod. Anak ng Kabataan. Pass to number 0. To Ilizario. Ilizario to Nakano. For 3 points. Di pumasok. Nakuha ni Ilizario. 2 points. Number 12. Inaso. Score. 14-12 in favor of Blue Team. Number 2. Ako kanong namaliyan ang pagkaon nila. Ibabot ang sa table. Kailangan gusto mo palit. Nakano. Dominecho. Pass to number 2. Ay, nabitawan. Number 00. Pass to number 25. To number 0. Kumukha ng 3. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Mr. Donato. Speed by number 0. So Agolino. Dumiskarte. Pass to number 25. Bingo. Score. Di-block na naman tayo. Last 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Last 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Remaining time for the first half of the ball game. Ilizario. Pass to Nakano. To Mr. Donato. For 3. Ayaw talaga. Rebound by number 25. Dominecho. Bingo na yun. Loading team. Number 24. Pass to number 0. Back to number 24. Gustong dumiskarte. Di pumasok. Rebound by number 0.
Nice one!
Pass to number 12. Score, dito lang na naman tayo. Last 2. 2 points. Score 18-16 in favor of blue team. Number 25. Castro Venezuela. Piso. Good for 2 points, Mr. Venezuela. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Score, Dinda, Genato. Di pumatok. Rebound by number 25, still by Mr. Genato. Ayaw pa rin. Rebound by Donato. Green ball. Bola ng green team. Score, Dean Black. Venezuela, pass to number 0. Last 15 seconds to shoot. 9.
Ay, manik daw.
Second. For the minute, we have a substitution. Out Venezuela. 9. Pass to number 24, to number 17. Careful. Mr. Donato. Pass to number 0. Number 2. Bitaw ng 3, hindi pumatok. Rebound by number 17, guarded by Mr. Elizario. Number 16, last 20 seconds. Shimabuko. Ang ganda ng pasa. Last 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Osval Rep. Number 25. Hindi pumatok. Score 18-20 in favor of green team. Last 7 seconds. Remaining time for the first half of the ball game. Second throw ni Elizario. Piso. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Wait lang. Committee naman. For 3 points. Hindi pumatok. Rebound by Mr. Shimabuko. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Hanap ng kabataan. Number 24. Domerecho. Hindi pumatok. Rebound by Mr. Nakano. So Elizario to Mr. Donato. Steal by Mr. number 24. Pass to number 25. Controlling the ball. Hanap ng kabataan. Pass to number 24. Pumukol. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 12. Pumike. Hindi pumasok. Sa kanya pa rin yung bola. Control rep. Wow. Donato. To Elizario. Pumukol. Hindi. Good for 2 points by Elizario. Score. 21-22 in favor of green team. Number 17, gustong dumiskarte. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Steal by number 00. Pass play by Mr. Pinato. We have a substitution. Number 17. Pass to we have a substitution. Donato. Good for 2 points. Pass to Mr. Elizario for 3 points. Di pumasok. Rebound by number 24. Hanap ng kabataan. Pass to number 00. 00 to number 24. Umatake. Guarded by Osval Rep. Line ball. Bola ng blue team. Score 22-23 favor of blue team. Elizario. Dominicarte. Ang ganda ng iwan. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 00. 00 controlling the ball. Pass to Mr. Venezuela. Di pumasok. Rebound by Mr. Donato. So number 12. Last 12 seconds. 12 minutes and 19 seconds. Kaya pa rin yung bola. Di pumasok. Rebound by number 25. So Mr. Berzuela. Harap by Mr. Quinato. Back to number 00. Back to number 25. Domis Carpe. Down to number 0. Still. Canto Quinato. Bingo. Score 25-22 in favor of blue team. Last 11 minutes and 41 seconds. Remaining time for the final half of the ball game. Agolino. Foul. Number 0. Number 00. Set ng bola. Hanap ng kapatan. Gustong Dumiscarte. Number 00. Pumukol ng 3. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Mr. Donato. The third man, Mr. Donato. Nakano. Basto Quinato. 2 points. Quinato. Score 22-27 in favor of blue team. Last 11 minutes and 32 seconds. Last 11 minutes and 32 seconds. Remaining time for the final half of the ball game. Number 00, pass to number 24, from Venezuela. After the shoot, Mr. Nakano, pass to Quinato. Score 29-22 in favor of blue team. Number 24, pass to Shimabuko. Dinawakan, pass. So number 25. Offensive foul ang tinawag ng ating Magayon. Warning for graduation. Mr. Magayon, Elizario. 3, hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass to number 00 to Venezuela. Ang ganda ng patahan. Good for 2 points. In favor of blue team. Elizario to Mr. Quinato. Di pumasok, rebound by Shimabuko. Last 10 minutes and 31 seconds. Last 10 minutes and 31 seconds. Number 25. Na number 00. Pass to Venezuela. Yun, napulikat na siya. We have a timeout. Green team. Score 24-29 in favor of blue team. Last 10 minutes and 20. Elizario nasa labas. Pass to Mr. Nakano. To Mr. Donato. Guarded by Mr. Shimabuko. Elizario. Ayaw pumasok. Number 25. Nakakuha ng bola. Pass to Mr. number 24. Agolino. Dribbling the ball. At nakabataan. Pass to number 00. To Mr. Camo. 7. Agolino, di pumasok. Kanya pa rin yung bola. Agolino, 2 points. Agolino score 26-29. Favor of blue team. Tato na lang. Dumiscarte, Basto Quinato. 2 points. Quinato. Number 24 to Mr. Shimabuko. At number 0. Basto Quinato. So number 0, foul. Number 24. Pass to number 00. Hanap ng kabataan. Number 00. Nagiging ang screen. Pass to number 10, Shimabuko. Mas kasi bubuko rin yung bola. Mani Mr. Elizario. Mr. Quinato. Di Donato. Rebound by Mr. Donato. The Birdman. Donato, gusto Dumiscarte. So, Elizario, pass to Quinato. Ayaw pa rin, rebound by number 00. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 25. Bingo! All over, we have a timeout. Green team. No derecho. Di pumasok, rebound by Mr. Nakano. So, Mr. Elizario. Ayaw pa rin. Mr. Elizario pa rin yung bola. Kuha ni Mr. Quinato. Ayaw pa rin. Pass to Mr. Elizario. Forward. Number 0 to Mr. Donato. Tumida ng 3. Ayaw pumasok. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Domerecho. Bingo. Score 30-31. Favor of Blue team. Upshot na po ang inabol ng green team. Last 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Last 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Mr. Elizario. Derecho. Ayaw pa rin. Rebound by Mr. Nakano. 2 points, Mr. Nakano. Score, 33-30. Favor of blue team. Number 00. Number 00. Gustong may karte. Hanap ng kabataan. Pass to number 24. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Camo. Kumita ng 3. Hindi pumatok. Rebound by number 25. Ayaw pa rin. Paano Mr. Nakano? Nakano. Gustong dumiretso. Pass to Mr. Kinado. 2 points. 51 seconds. Last 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Number 24. Luis Carte. Piso-piso. Hindi pumatok. Rebound by Mr. Donato. Donato, pass to number 00. So, Mr. Elizario, Donato. Nabitawan. Ayaw pa rin pumatok. Pass to Juan Elizario. Number 00 to number 24. Number 24. Pinatay yung oras. Pass to Shimabuko. Gubing. Ayaw pa rin pumatok. Number 00, pass to Mr. Elizario.
Relax lang.
Controlling the ball. Pass to number 12. Mukulang 3. Ayaw pa rin. Donato. Hindi pa rin pumatok. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 24. Score, 30-35. Favor of blue team. Agolino. Guarded by number 0. So number 31. Ayaw pa rin. Small rep. Number 30. O number rep, substitution. Nasa labas, back to Mr. Berzuela, back to number 00. Hanap ng kabataan, gustong dumiskarte, back to number 24. So Berzuela, guarded by Mr. Nakano. 7. Small rep. Number 30 again. Mr. Nakano. Number 24, 2 points. Score, 32-35. 32-35. Favor of blue team. Tatlo na lang po ang inahabol ng green team. Last 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Last 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Elizario to Nakano. To Kinado. Go, green team. Pass to number 00. Hanap ng kabataan. Shoot by Mr. Elizario to Mr. Minato. Bingo! Score, 32-37. Favor of blue team. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Berzuela, gustong dumiskarte. Pass to number 00 sa 3. Hindi pumatok. Rebound by Mr. Donato. No Elizario. No number 0. Number 0 to Minato. Saved by number 24. Number 24. So number 25. So number 24. Hindi pumatok. Sayang. Foul. Foul ng blue team. Tingnan natin yung unang buslo ni number 24. Hindi pumatok. Pangalawang buslo ni Mr. Hagolino. Hindi pumatok. Foul. Number 30. Nakano. Semi warning for graduation. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Unang buslo, hindi pumatok. Tingnan natin yung pangalang buslo ni Mr. Berzuela. Piso-piso. Yun, pumatok. Score, 33-37. In favor of blue team. Mr. Nakano. Dribbling the ball. Last 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Last 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Remaining time for the final half of the ball game. Elizario. Dribbling the ball. Gustong dumiskarte. Harap na kabataan. Pass to Nakano. To Mr. Donato. Ayaw pa rin. Foul. Number 25. Congratulations. Graduate na po. Si number 25. Automatic stop. Number 0. Pass to Nakano. Guarded by Mr. Berzuela. To Mr. Elizario. Hanap ng kabataan. Pass to Mr. Donato. Sa 3 points. Ayaw pa rin. Rebound by Mr. Shimaboko. To Mr. Berzuela. Berzuela. Dos balls. Donato to Mr. Elizario. Score 33-37. In favor of blue team. Last 15 to shoot, Elizario. Foul number 24, Venezuela. Shooting foul po tayo. Binigyan ng dalawang bonus throw itong si Elizario. Walang gusto. Bingo. Tingnan natin yung pangalawang gusto. Kung papasok. Mr. Elizario. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Second throw ni Mr. Elizario. Bingo. Completo. Number 24. Pass to number 21 to Mr. 00. Score 33-39. Number 00. Gustong uminanap 3 points. Tatlo na lang po ang inahabol ng green team. Score 36-39. Last 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Last 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Mr. Elizario controlling the ball. Mr. Elizario, ano sa kapatid? Pass to Mr. Donato. Mr. Donato, pass to Donato. Pasok ang number 31, pass to number 0. Last 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Number 000. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Score 36-41. Mr. Venezuela. Domiscarte. Pass to number 21. Ayaw rebound by Mr. Elizario. So Mr. Donato. Foul number 24. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Tingnan natin yung muslo ni Mr. Donato. Pasok. Score 36-42 in favor of blue team. Last number 0. Harap ng kabataan. Mr. Elizario. Still by number 31. Pass to number 00. Pass to number 24. So Venezuela. Venezuela to number 00. That's 3 points. Ibumato. Iba by Mr. Macano. Pass to number 12. So Elizario. Boston Domiscarte. Steve Bumato. Iba kay Shimaboko. Pass to number 24. 2 points. Bumato. Rebound by number 0. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Remaining time for the final half of the ball game. Number 31. Pass to number 00. Score 36-42 in favor of blue team. Number 00 sa 3 points area. Yung Bingo. 39. Tatlo na lang po. Ang inabol ng green team. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 00. Pass to Mr. Elizario. Pass to Donato. Ayaw pa rin. Kuha ni number 24. Last 1 minute and 11 seconds. Remaining time for the final half of the ball game. Venezuela sa 3 points area. Hindi pumatok. Rebound by Mr. Elizario. Elizario taking the ball. Pass to number 12. Ball. 39-42. Inato to Hagolino sa 3 points. Yun! Time score na po tayo. Score! Diwindang po tayo mga kaibigan. Last 24. Ato mo half shot. Score 41-42 in favor of pass to number 12 sa 3 points area. Dito matok. One ball. Bola ng green team. Back to Venezuela. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ayaw pa rin. Foul. Left by left. Last 7 seconds. Last 41-42. Favor of blue team. Last 7 seconds. Last 7 seconds. Mr. Elizario. Tingnan natin yung last two ni Mr. Elizario yung babato. Buat ang kabutan, Pastor Agolino. 4, 3, foul. Wala na oras sa piramid. Ito na ginawa ni Mr. Venezuela. 2 points. Laban na po ang green team. Last 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Last 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Mr. Elizario. Dribbling the ball. Mr. Elizario. Pass to Mr. Nakano. Bumitaw ng tres. Di pumato. Pure ball. To number 00. To Mr. Shimaboko. To Mr. Agolino. Agolino controlling the ball. At 15 seconds to shoot. Agolino, Dominicarte. Bingo! Score, 47-43, in favor of green team. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Mr. Elizario, dribbling the ball. Hindi na screen. Pass to Mr. Donato. The 3 is ayaw pa rin. Rebound by number 24 to Mr. Berzuela. Relax na muna, sabi ni Mr. Berzuela. Pass to number 00. Back to Berzuela. Last 16 seconds to shoot. Berzuela to number 24. Controlling the ball. Pass to Berzuela. Controlling to Miss Carte. Carte by Mr. Donato. To Berzuela. Bingo na yan! 49-43. Parang malayo na yung kalamangan ng green team dito. Number 24. Controlling the ball. Pass to number 00. Last 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Last 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Remaining time for the final lap of the ball game. Number 10, last 10 seconds shot clock. Number 24. Pass to number 00. Sa 3-point area. Hindi kumatok. Rebound by Nakano. Shoot by number 00. Then foul number 24. Mr. 50 seconds. Number 0 ng Buslo. Pasok yan. Tingnan natin yung pangalawang Buslo ni number 0 kung papasok. Completed Rizado. 45-49 in favor of green team. Number 0. Still by number 12, Minato.